All right, today we're gonna bring a UFO high bay light. And on this one, it has a 128 volt connection. So you could plug it in to any jack at home. This one goes up to 155 watts, 21,000 lumens on this one, all right? So this is a really bright light. And right now we're in our warehouse that we're gonna set this up high because we have a spray booth that needs a lot of lighting. Also an area that gets a little hot, but you don't have to worry about it because it has a great radiator on the top end, if you guys can see that. So we're gonna hang this together, and just to let you guys know, you gotta unscrew these bolts here in order to start screwing this whole thing in, because this one's gonna prevent you from actually screwing in if you don't take it off. Now it does have a lock in here, and you can see, we're gonna lock it in place and see how it works. All right, since we're spraying in here, we're gonna set this up high. Those lights are not bright enough no more. We're gonna hang it there and have us light up the entire area. We're gonna put a before and after shot so you guys can see how it is right now.
Where we spray, and sometimes it gets dark, so we put this LED that's really bright that we need. We're able to see really good at night, so we're gonna plug it in and show you guys how the difference is.
That's 2100.
And then if you unplug it, we'll see the difference. Yep. Show you how bright it is that we can see, and we're gonna start spraying for you guys. The finish on it. You guys see?
All right, just to demo, guys, we're gonna turn off the entire area here that we work. This is our workshop that we have. Completely darkness, if you guys can see. This light is the only light you're gonna see, and look how bright it is. It takes on the whole entire spray booth area. So very simple, easy to install, easy to use, plug and play. I hope you guys enjoy the video.